Hello everyone, welcome to another ServiceWorks video tutorial. This is Jake, and today I'm going to kind of go over how there are many different ways you can view all of your jobs at once. So one key thing we like to do here at ServiceWorks is make everything as easy and convenient for you as possible. So again, like I said, this is just going to be kind of a brief overview of the many different ways you can view your jobs at once instead of them having being kind of jumbled up all over the place. So here right now, obviously, as you can see, is kind of a calendar throughout the week of the jobs that are scheduled. So you can obviously just kind of hover over the jobs there, goes over the detail, the client's name, address, stuff like that, and a brief description of the actual job. So, it just so there's all your jobs right there. But of course, sometimes this can be a bit like there's a lot going on here, depending on how many jobs you actually have going out. So kind of to see a little bit more simplified version of what jobs you have, you can actually go over here to the Jobs tab and go to All Jobs. And this is going to be a little bit more simplified version of kind of what we just saw. So like right down here, you can just scroll down and here we see all of our jobs at once. So, it shows, the actual ticket number, the status of the job, if it's been scheduled, if it's been delivered, pending, or it's currently unassigned. And there is another way to view those unassigned jobs and assign them to a technician or a time slot, and I can go over that here shortly. But yeah, for example, customer name, date and time, it's got all of that information just simply laid out for you. And if you actually wanted to go into a specific job and see more of those details, obviously you go to the details tab. And it takes us over to the job here. And then again, on this side here, you can edit the job, assign it to a technician if it's not been assigned to anybody just yet. So, we kind of just scroll down here. Here's the job description that we saw earlier, the time, how we received the call. And again, it all can just be kind of edited here. You can save it down here at the bottom. And then, it would be updated on that jobs page. So if we actually go back to that jobs tab, and one nice thing feature here that we do like that I personally really like is the search item here. So obviously these are going to be all the jobs, and if you didn't want to see all the jobs at once, you wanted to see it by specific, say, city or zip code, or if you know the exact ticket number, you can put it in here, and obviously it would take you to that specific job. Or if you wanted to look at jobs only from, say, today until, let's say, the end of the month, it would pull up those jobs there. So yeah, again, this has been updated. You can see all those specific jobs. We're not seeing every single one. So again, it kind of condenses it down. And earlier, like I mentioned, so if you see unassigned jobs here, there is a way you can actually go view those in a separate tab on the schedule tab. And so again, we're back at the schedule. You can see all the jobs here. And if you wanted to go ahead and say assign that to a certain technician or time slot, you can actually go down to this tab here, or this little bubble down here. And you can see the unassigned job. So there's that one specific job that hasn't been assigned just yet. So one nice thing is that you can just very easily drag and drop that to, say, a certain technician or time slot and place that there. Well, this job has already been visited in that time slot. But again, just another nice feature that makes everything a little bit easier and more convenient for you. So again, like I said, that's just a kind of a nice feature to make things that run a little bit easier for your business. And again, I hope this video has been informative and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.